What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I went and picked up some of this Cerakote Trim Coat, which you can either get down in the description box below by clicking on the Amazon link, or they sell this at your local Walmart, so go pick some of this up. I'm going to be testing this out today. Apparently, a lot of people swear by it. Essentially what it is, it's just a bunch of wipes that you can wipe on the trim on your car, which may be faded over time, like that black trim starts to turn a little more gray, a little more white, starts to fade. So essentially this brings it back to life, makes it look brand new. And bonus with this, it kind of has like a built-in ceramic coating, so you know, keep it shiny, keep it nice, repel water. Ceramic coating's like pretty sick stuff. So we're going to throw some of this Cerakote Trim Coat on the car and the Duramax today, and we'll see how it goes. If this stuff works as good as everyone swears it does, you guys will be here to see it, so let's get it. Alright, so make sure your surface is dry. This piece is what I'm going to do first. We're just going to wipe the trim coat right on this piece. And just cover the entire piece. Make sure it's also not in direct sunlight. So the other side of the car is in direct sunlight right now. This side's not, so that's why I'm doing this side, and then we'll turn the car around so it's not in the sunlight. Wow, check out the difference that made. Look how much better that looks. Nice glossy black, even around the trim of the mirror, that's all done. We did these trims, which are now all glossy black. You know, this piece, we did this piece here. And with the same wipe, I managed to do the foot pieces for the Thule rack and this whole rain strip here. So that looks so sick. Holy moly, that looks so much better. It looks so clean. Just with everything gloss black like that. Alright guys, so we just applied the Cerakote Trim Coat, which is this box right here. We just applied this to the entire STI, just all the black trim. I even did like the lip, so now that's nice and glossy, looks literally brand new. Yeah, we applied it to all the trim, and this thing looks so sick. So we're gonna pull it out of the garage in a little while. I'm gonna give it like an hour to dry, that's what they recommend. But all these pieces just look so good. So this factory like rear diffuser, we did that as well. Car just looks so sick. We even did like the windshield wipers and all of that stuff too. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the car out in like an hour, see how it looks, and then once the sun starts to go down, we'll do the truck as well, because obviously I can't fit that in the garage and I don't want it to be in the sunlight while we're trying to do it. So we'll wait for that to go down, and then we'll go after the truck. There's a lot more little trim pieces on that, so hopefully I have enough. I think I have 6 more wipes left, and I used 4 on the Subaru, so I think we should be able to get a good amount of the truck done. And yeah, this will be sick. This looks so freaking good right now. So moving on to the Duramax, we're going to be doing the mirrors, this whole piece on both sides. We're doing this piece, probably this piece, maybe the wipers, this piece here on both sides, and probably do the door handles, make these look better, and then we'll probably get these pieces in as well, but then we'll probably be out of trim coat. So alrighty guys, so this side the sun's not on too hard, so we did that whole piece, all these trim pieces up and around. Looks so good. And then we even did the door handles, and they just look literally brand new again. So whole mirror's done. Obviously the mirrors themselves need to be cleaned, but as far as the trim goes, it literally looks so freaking good. Like brand new. I also did this side, you know, this, but I haven't done the top yet because the sun's on. I'm gonna wait for the sun to go down a little bit. But, you know, if you look at this mirror over here, just huge difference. Sun just looks faded, sun faded, pretty bad. And then you come back on this side, and it just looks so freaking clean. It's like when you wash your car or truck, and it's like super shiny and you love it, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's back to normal again. No, now it stays. How sick is that? So you go from these really just faded from the sun trim pieces to these beautiful, glossy, brand new looking trim pieces with one wipe. This whole side we used one wipe for. This is the literal best $19.88 you could possibly spend at Walmart, I promise. I don't think there's anything better for your car that you could buy, literally. So I'm gonna finish up the truck tonight, and I'll come out and get a final video for you guys of both the cars, see how they came out, see how they look when the sun's not beating on them like crazy, and I think it's gonna be literally game changer. So let's skip to tonight. Boom, sun's going down, and this looks sick. Mirrors are done, all the trim's done, even all those pieces are done. Trim up the windshield's done. We got all in here and the wipers. Even got the front bumper. Mirrors on this side, all the trim pieces, the door handles, and lastly we got the rear bumper as well with the receiver. So just look at the gloss. That was so sun faded before. So yeah guys, with the 10 wipes they give you for $19.88, we finished the Subaru and the Duramax, and we went above and beyond with the Duramax, doing the bumpers and everything. It's really only meant for trim, but we had extra, so we sent it. As far as I know, that's the best $19.88 I've ever spent for my car at Walmart. Cerakote used to only really be able to buy it online, but now they're selling it at Walmart as of like the last week. So if you want to pick some of this up, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. Or, you know, you could always check out your local Walmart and see if they sell it. But that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, comment down below what you guys think of this stuff, and, you know, subscribe for more. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.